It's Gina with Purdue Extension, Floyd County, and my guess is most of you have tomatoes that are looking like this. We're getting close to the end of the season. Due to the weather and stuff, things aren't looking great. But what if I told you we could help extend your season, maybe not with tomatoes, but by growing some lettuce and beets? Purdue Extension, Floyd County, and Purdue Extension, Clark County have partnered together to do the 2024 Grow With Us campaign using lettuce and beets. Last year when I did this for just Floyd County, we did seed potatoes, but this year we have a lot of beets and lettuce that we would like to share with the community, and you can get a kit from either Purdue Extension Floyd County's office or Purdue Extension Clark County's office and follow along with us as we extend our growing season and grow these two items through hopefully November. So what's in this kit? When you pick up your kit, you'll get a brown paper bag, and it has the information to find the weekly videos on it. In your kit, you will get a peat pellet that we're going to use as kind of an experiment, and we can start our lettuce seeds with the peat pellet. Beets, you'll get some kind of flower so that next spring you can go ahead and start your garden, and you'll get a couple of plant stakes. We will start doing weekly videos next week, the week of August 20th, and start our seeds. The beets we are going to direct sow into a container, and these lettuce seeds we're going to start in the little peat pellet, and then we will make sure to mark all of our stuff and get ready to grow so that we can extend that growing season. If you would like to go ahead and get a grow kit, you can get it at the Sunnyside Master Gardener Tomato Festival, which is Sunday, August 18th from 11 to 2 at the Purdue Research Park in New Albany, or you can stop by either extension office on Monday, August 19th and pick up as supplies last. You might want to call the office first to make sure that someone is there that can get you a kit, and that we are open. Due to different staffing issues, we may have some strange hours because and sometimes we break for lunch or whatever, so please call the extension office in either Clark or Floyd County to get your kit, or swing by the Tomato Festival to pick up a kit.